Good afternoon and welcome to my fluid art tutorial channel, Pehar Art. My name is Micky. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for joining me here today. If you haven't already and you're enjoying my videos, I would love for you to press that red subscribe button. So today I'm going to be covering this old painting. I'm really not fond of it, so I'm going to do another painting on top of there. But first I'm going to show you from video number 41, I think it was. I did this diptych, so that's the first one. This is the other one. So it goes, can you see that? So it goes like that. So that just, actually goes like that, lines up like that. So that will, just needs a coat of resin. So that was just a pastel diptych that is in video number 41 if you're interested. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to cover this. So I'm going to be using Boyle Licorice Black and the Amsterdam Titanium White with the Boyle Black to make this grey. So it'll be a split colour base. Okay, I've just laid the colours down. Just put these bubbles. Okay, let's do this. Today's painting will be a colour split. We have the black and the grey. If you would like to know how I mix my paints with Floetrol and water, watch video number 39. If you would like to know how I mix my paints with just water, watch video number 37. Okay, so the colours today I'm using Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue, Metallic Bronze, Sky Blue Light, Metallic Copper, DecoArt Stirling Silver, give that a bit of a shake, Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet, which I seem to use quite a bit, and I've got some Amsterdam Titanium White. Okay, so first of all I'm going to, it's just spat out at me, Just going to lay my first colour. Then I will lay the bronze. Then my sky blue. Then I might do some metallic copper. Some sterling silver, which just popped out. And last of all, the Liquitex Basics Light Blue Violet. Okay, that's all done. Pop the bubbles. Okay. Now I'm just dipping my knife in the into the Stirling Floetrol, and just swiping it across. So we just dip it in here. And then dip it again, so it's just a slight coat on the bottom. And just skimming it across the top. Just to make little patterns. That I do something different today. All these pretty cells in here. Might need a little bit more that's not dirtied up. Help if I opened it. And you just keep doing this until you're happy with your result. Where else do I want to go? Probably would like to go down here a little bit. And probably a bit more here. I think I've got a little bit of black in that one. That's okay. Oh, maybe boo. Where else? Probably want to skim over this one again. Probably a little bit here. Maybe a little bit in here. These colours are pretty. Where else would I like to go? I do like that down there. Just take that off there. Probably a little bit in here. Okay. I think that is probably just about enough for me. Might fix this up. What finger haven't I used? Ugh. Okay, I think I like that. Don't think it needs torching at all. Do a thin one there. Love it on the black here. It's beautiful. Might do this end bit here. Okay. I think that should do with the swiping, I think. I don't really want to do there. I do like that there. Okay. I think that just about do it, I think. Okay. Just tweak it up a little bit. A little bit on this side. Okay, I think that's it. I will bring you down for a little look. Okay, so I would really like to know what you think. Let me know in the comments section. If you like today's video, please give it a like, thumbs up. I will see you next time for another acrylic pour. So I will bring you down to show you a close-up of this. Okay, so this is the painting. I'll give you a little close-up. Started out it was going to be a Dutchpour, and then I decided no, I've got some titanium white and a Stirling Floetrol, and thought I would just give it a little bit of a swipe. So you can see all that sterling silver in there. Okay, I've just turned the lights off just so you can see that sterling silver running through there. It's so pretty. So this is all just done with my Dutchpour consistency paints. There we go. That shine in there. Okay. So this is it there. I will see you again soon for another video.